Greetings, learners. Welcome to our lesson today of research, consultancy, and advisory. The topic that we are looking at is underlying theories and models of research, consultancy, and advisory. The focus of our lesson today is social network theory, which falls under selected research and consultancy theories in the subject. And before we focus on the lesson today, there are 10 theories that we shall be looking at in this subject. We will mention them and then we proceed to our focus today. The selected research and consultancy theories: number 1, social systems theory; number 2, social network theory; number 3, situated learning theory; number 4, otherness and parasites theory; number 5, the intervention theory of agroles; number 6, Blake and Morton's consultation theory; number 7, Weisberg's theory of organizational diagnosis; number 8, theory of planned behavior; number 9, innovation diffusion theory; and 10, general deterrence theory. Those are the 10 theories that we shall be focusing on in this subject. In our previous lesson, we had an opportunity to look at the social systems theory, and in our lesson today, we are looking at the social network theory. The social network theory has been used in social sciences, and the social network theory focuses on the role of social relationships in transmitting information, channeling personal and media influence, and enabling attitudinal or behavior change. So the focus of this social network theory is focusing on behavior change and attitudinal changes that may occur in individual based on how information is shared. Networks used to share this particular information, and the people behind this theory, among others, are Ronald Barthes, 1992, who developed Granovatter's original theory that was there in 1973 and 1983, and that theory was focusing on the strength of weak ties, and it argued that the real value in weak ties lies in when they bridge between networks. That was the underlying or underpinning observation of the strength of weak ties, and therefore they become conduits of knowledge, information, and value. Between the networks. So when individuals create networks, those networks become the conduits within which people will share ideas, people will benchmark, people will know what is going on, and that is what informs decision making. And today we have what you call knowledge workers. And the knowledge workers require information that is current, and that current information is what empowers employees and keep them engaged. So modern organizations today are operating on social networks to be able to get their systems moving. And more often than not, in scenarios like the ones we are in today, where we have challenges with working environments, and you have COVID has hit the work environment, so the systems for work have changed, and organizations that had strong social networks continued working amidst the changes that were brought about by the COVID pandemic. When it comes to the management area, social networks are also very crucial because employees, organizations, and the work environment is informed by what happens within the wider networks of systems. Now, what are some of the types of social networks that may exist currently? types of social networks, types of social networks, types of social networks, types of social networks. So, Lana, you might be a member within the various networks, and these social networks that have been used in the recent past may include, but are not limited to, the following. So, one, you have what you call Facebook. Facebook, it has various versions. So Facebook has been a network where people or individuals within that particular system are able to convey information in various patterns. Then you also have Instagram. Instagram, where communications also take place between the members who are within that Instagram network. There is also what is referred to as Facebook Messenger. Facebook Messenger. Facebook Messenger. You may also have for WhatsApp. WhatsApp, which takes care of individuals within the connectivity of networks, as it were. You may also have TikTok. TikTok, which conveys various versions of content. There is also what you call Pinterest. Pinterest. You also have others that take a professional dimension, like LinkedIn. LinkedIn. So you have LinkedIn, where you have people putting their profiles, and many organizations have also used these particular channels when they are looking for high caliber employees in various disciplines and so on. You also have Telegram. So Telegram again has audience and has content that is relayed on that particular arrangement. Then you also have YouTube. So on the YouTube channels, there are also videos, training sessions can also be put there, and many employees or many individuals are able to log on to YouTube and be able to get content that can also help them in relation to their working environment. So these are just types of social media networks that individuals may use, and these individuals using these networks are able to enhance their knowledge. They are also able to enhance their skills. They are also able to have their attitude and behavior changed and shaped by what they are able to get through these social networks. So organizations that have encouraged their employees to be on these particular networks have certain advantages that they enjoy.